Wow. Can you do it again? Swing on the bar. Show mommy. Can you get up on the bar? Yeah, feet. Oh, yay. That's so good. Is there a balloon up there? Put your feet up. Put your feet up. Yay. Okay, show mommy a roll. Go on the mat. Go on the mat. Swing, swing. Okay. Wait, wait. You can go over there. You're gonna fall. Daniel, come over here and show mommy a roll. Hurry, show mommy a roll. Turn around. Those stairs aren't the right way. Casey needs to fix them. Hop down. Show mommy a roll. Oh no. Try again. Stand up. Try again. Come on, mommy wants to see a good roll. Push. Push. Yay! Yay! You're such a good roller. Can you do it one more time? One more time. Can you do another roll? Show mommy. Show mommy your good roll. Come on, Bubba. Stand up and show mommy your roll. Where are you going? One more time.
Passy, passy.
After you do a roll, you can have a passy. Go show mommy a roll again. Yay! Yay! One time, yes. Okay, here you go.